Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class, and this time we're going to review about the key properties and domain and range. And it's very easy guys, as always. So let's do the first question together. It says which equation represents blah blah below. So we get this graph and answer is going to be one of these four, right? So it's very simple. What you have to do is you put every single one of this one into the decimals and see which one matches, right? But you don't want to waste your time, so let's use some common sense. This is the vertex. Which is 2, 3, right? So let's look at this. Which one of this one has a vertex of 2, 3? Remember, you always think about the opposite. So this one is what? Negative 2, 3. That's not 2, 3, so that's not going to be the answer. This one, the vertex is going to be 2, negative 3. No, so it's not 2, 3, so that cannot be the answer. This one is going to be negative 2, 3. It's not 2, 3, so that's not the answer. So this one is 2, what the heck? Negative 3. So this one, oh, it's a question error. I might have to check this again, but assuming what it is, supposedly the answer should be oh, I'm sorry guys. This is negative 2, 3. I'm sorry. What am I doing? Do you see this one is at negative 2, 3? So your vertex should be negative 2, 3. So its answer should be A. What am I doing? I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm sorry. You know, your math teacher is stupid, like always. So, and you're learning from stupid math teacher. So here we go. So that's the first thing we're doing. And so remember, in the equation, for the vertex, this one goes to opposite sign. So instead of positive 2, it goes to negative, 3. Here, I made a mistake because when you write down vertex, you write as it is here, okay? Just here, you gotta flip it. Only x value, not the y value, okay? So question number 2. Which of the following is true about the graph below? So remember, in order to do it, you must know how to find the vertex, axis of symmetry, domain, and range. So for this, first one, it says solution to the graph is 3, 5. Is it a solution? No. 3, 5, but this one is not solution. This one is what? Vertex. Also, we call it max. It's the maximum because it's the highest point at y equals 5, which is the y value. So that's not the true. Axis of symmetry at y equals 5. No, we call it maximum. Axis of symmetry should be what? X equals 3, which is the first number. So that cannot be the answer. Domain is 1 to 5. This one? No. Those are the solutions. Domain is all real number. Because do you see it's keep going to the left, keep going to the right? It does not stop here. Do you see it's keep going to the left? It's going down, but also going to the left. And also it's going to the right. So that cannot be the answer as well. Y is less than or equal to 5. So that's the range. Let's see. What's the lowest point? Negative infinity. Because range is the bottom to top. Remember that. Range is the bottom to top. Negative infinity. Highest point is what? 5. And so we're not going to use infinity, so we'll only use this one. Do I have to flip it? No, because y comes first already. And it matches. Bingo. So that's how you do it. It's very easy like this. And you cannot get away with this concept, so you have to feel comfortable with it. So for this chapter, I will go over these 2 more questions. Because what you have to expect is this. It says, which one of the following is the range of the equation below? So you're trying to solve for y value. So here. And it does not even give you the graph. So, all right. It's not that friendly, but we can deal with it. So let's do this one. So negative 2, absolute value of x minus 3 plus 3. So remember, when you try to do it, don't do it like that. That's wrong because do you see in the decimals, you put plus 3 inside the absolute value. So don't do that. After you put -3, you click the absolute value one more time, or one to the right, and put +5, like that, okay? So, we are trying to find the what? Range, which is the y value, which is y value is bottom to top. So, as you can see, and we have a vertex at 3, 5. So here you go. What's the lowest point of this graph? Well, why is that close to decimals? As you can see here, it's keep going down. Like no matter how you zoom out, do you see it's going down? So it's negative infinity. And what's the highest point of this graph? It's the what? Y value is what? 5. 3 is x value, so 3 you don't use it. So here we go. We're not gonna use infinity, we're gonna use y is less than or equal to 5. The problem is, do we have to flip it? No. So answer is gonna be B. Not this. Y is not a real number. Domain is a real number. I don't even know where it comes from. Oh, so guys, don't get confused. In this graph, you're gonna see a lot of questions that has this is either domain or range, like 0.5 or 5.5. But I'm telling you right now, these numbers are solutions, which is x-intercept. It's nothing to do with domain or range. So don't get confused. All right? All right, here's the last question that we will go over. After this, it's on your own. And if you get wrong on this, if you do poorly on this DOL, you're gonna see your angry math teacher staring at you with a weird face. And you don't wanna look at my ugly face, so let's not do that. So what question is asking is, which of the following is a domain? Domain is x value. So here you go, here's the graph. So first one, it says domain is 1 to 5. And if you say, yep, it's 1 to 5, and if you click circle, you are gonna see my angry face. No. Again, domain, it doesn't stop at 1, it's keep going to the left. It's at 0, as you can see, it's keep going to the left, 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 and left. It's going down, but it's also going to the left. It's keep going to the right. This graph is this, skip. Do you see these 2 arrows? I mean, you don't see arrows in the decimals, but it's an arrow. So obviously, if you used decimals, and if question is asking for the domain, your domain is gonna be always all real number. Keep that in mind. All right. All right, that's about it. If you have any question, come to tutoring about this one, because I don't want to spend time in school. But even if you get wrong, it's okay. I still love you. I'm a math teacher. I will still love you, but it's gonna be a bit tough love. All right, that's it, guys. See you. Bye.